Want to personalize your Ford Explorer EV? One key customization is changing the system language. This video will guide you through the simple steps to switch the display and voice prompts to your preferred language, making your driving experience more comfortable and intuitive. This feature supports over 20 languages, including English, Spanish, French, and Chinese. First, locate the settings icon on your 15.5-inch touchscreen. It looks like a gear. Tap it to open the settings menu. Then select System, followed by General. Finally, you'll see the language option, or idioma if the system is already in Spanish. Tap Language to proceed. A drop-down list will appear, displaying all the available languages. Scroll through the list and select your desired language. Once you've chosen your language, confirm your selection. The system might prompt you to reboot for the changes to take effect. This process usually takes just a minute or two. Alternatively, you can use voice commands via Ford's Sync system to change the language. Simply say, "Change language to your desired language" while connected to Sync. The system will then guide you through the confirmation process. This is a quick and convenient way to switch languages on the go. Keep in mind that some third-party apps like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto may not fully support the vehicle's language settings. You might need to adjust language settings within those apps separately. Also, if you're using Bluetooth-connected devices, you may need to repair them after changing the system language for full synchronization. Some users have reported occasional bugs where the language resets after an OTA update or a vehicle restart. If this happens to you, simply repeat the steps to change the language back to your preference. Ford typically releases patches to address these issues, so ensure your system is up to date with the latest software. Multilingual support in the Ford Explorer EV is crucial for global markets and multilingual households. It enhances safety by ensuring clear navigation and emergency alerts in the user's preferred language. According to Ford's analytics, 60% of Explorer EV owners customize languages within their first month of ownership, highlighting the importance of this feature. The future of vehicle language settings points towards AI-driven personalization, with systems potentially auto-detecting user preferences through biometric data. Ford's roadmap includes cloud-based language libraries for instant updates, supporting even rare dialects. Stay tuned for these advancements that will make your in-car experience even more seamless and intuitive.